In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for FedEx warehouse jobs. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website. Now, the website look may vary slightly depending on your location. Currently, I'm on the English US version, so that's what it looks, and usually it's going to be quite similar. So whenever you're on here, you want to go to the very bottom, and then at the bottom of the page, under our company, it's going to say careers, okay? So somewhere over here, it's going to say careers, just click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to see you can join Team FedEx. It says over here, you can see a bunch of different things, and you can see the opportunities over here. So if you're looking to actually apply for a FedEx warehouse job, usually this is going to be under package handling over here. So click on package handling. And then whenever you do over here, you'll see package handlers. You can click on handle your future. Now, when you do that over here, it's going to basically allow you to read everything about it. And up top, it says search package handler jobs. Now click on that button, and from here you can either search by keyword, job title, or MOS code, or you can search by location as well. So as you can see here, there's some locations, or you could type in your own. For example, if I do Los Angeles, let's say I was from Los Angeles, I could do it like that. There we go. Currently there's 4 jobs, and as you can see, it says package handler and then handler warehouse part-time. So there's a bunch of different ones which are warehouse-like jobs. And for example, let's say this is the one I want. You could click on the view job to actually view all the details of that specific job. And if that's something you're interested in and you would like to actually apply for that specific job, you could just click on the apply button here in the top right. And it's going to take you to a separate tab where basically you'll have to go through an application process. So the first thing you're going to have to do is basically accept the terms. I've done that earlier while testing if this actually works correctly. So you have to accept the terms over here on the right, and then you have to click on chat to apply over here. And then this Olivia chatbot over here is going to start asking you questions. You can read, of course, all about it over here. And then over here, you can see it's going to say thanks for accepting. And then it's going to ask you some questions like first name, last name, and some of your personal info, and that way you can get through the application and apply for that specific FedEx warehouse job. Now, that's essentially how to apply. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.